So, you know, here we are up on the mountain. In 2007 is when I got my medical marijuana card. Long story short, we love snowboarding, we love cannabis. Well, this one day we were fixing our snowboards, we were waxing our snowboards. We had our snowboard out, and I was like, hey man, we have a whole bunch of bubble hash just chilling. And we took a piece of parchment and put it down on our snowboard, sprinkled these little piles of sandy, micronized style keif and hash. We did it mainly with bubble hash onto these little parchment, and then we took another piece of parchment, we took our snowboard wax iron and we ironed it out, and then we would fold it up like this and it looked like a pack of condoms. It was really hilarious. And then we would just roll up to smoke shacks on the mountain, and this was back when everybody was still smoking bowls and like glass, but we would throw these hash patties on top, and without doing the pre-activated heating with the snowboard wax iron, it would smoke all weird and it would kind of like flame up and it wouldn't really bubble. Well, then you just take it and you pre-activate it with heat, as we all know now in 2022, and it smoked completely different. It would bubble, it would just be amazing. This was some of the first rosin that I ever knew of and experienced in my life. So the second step was that we got rid of the snowboard and we just heated up our electronic stovetop, and we put down a piece of parchment paper, same thing, either bubble hash or keif that we would spread out, another piece of parchment, same thing, snowboard iron over the top. That was 2007. I'm gonna make the claim here and now, and you can check me and my whole squad on this. 2007 was some of the first real rosin before it was actually branded that way. Now, obviously, disclaimer statement, there's probably hash heads going back to the Middle East as well as Native American Indian tribes that were probably heating up their hash hundreds of years ago. So I gotta pay homage to those before me and the sacred plant that has been enlightening everybody for a millennia now.
15 years later, we're still hitting rosin on the lip.
Exactly, bro. It's just evolved a whole lot. It went into this fancy little cartridge with this crazy little button and shit.
We are in the future.
Woo!